Hey there, welcome to Happiness Jar. Today we're going to review Honor Magic Watch 2. This watch is truly magical as it comes with power packed features that we'll see in this video. So let's dive into all that it could do. As you can see, it looks amazing and it's got a very premium look. And in features as well, it's maintained its quality. So as we go through this video, you will see all the wonderful things that this watch is capable of doing. So let me show you the Find My Phone feature at first.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Answering phone calls on this watch is so easy. Hello.
Hey.
Hi. Is my voice audible?
Yes.
Clear?
Yep.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
The bottom buttons are customizable, and in this case it is the torch feature that we have enabled with it. It comes really handy during the night and the brightness is pretty decent and works well. The watch actively tracks the heart rate, stress level, the temperature, and we have it in the widgets along with the music player that works seamlessly. Check the notifications from the phone over the watch, and also it's customizable whether we would like to see the messages or information from a particular app or not is totally customizable. So in this case, Snapchat notifications are like only the notifications, but in Instagram we can also read what is inside. There are a lot of options in this watch, and also it is highly customizable at every possible level, giving the user the control over how it functions overall based on their priorities. The display is uber customizable, and there are hundreds and thousands of watch faces to pick from. Also, as we see, we can customize the tiles, and the tiles are like we can have as many as we want. That is a very functional option to have. The watch workout mode are really astounding. It has got 15 preloaded workout modes, of which 6 are also auto detectable. And from these workouts, we actually generate 194 unique type of data, and there is so much of ease in even viewing that data over the application. We'll see it later. For now, as you can see, the overview of our workouts comes over the watch itself, and there are a lot of data as you can see. This is the example of a cycling activity that happened this morning. And as you can see in this, we can see the distance, duration, calories, minimum, average, and maximum speed, elevation, the heart rate during this activity, and the heart zones, and also the speed at which we did the cycling and the altitude of it, the entire training activity summary, and the recovery time, which is a lot of data, and it is fun to play around those two. The features just don't end there. With the add option in the end, we can add 85 more customizable workouts that we can pick and add to our regular routine and use it from there on. Apart from this, live heart rate tracking and some intensive data about it, oxygen level tracking, are some cool features to play around this watch. We have overall activity tracker that shows the overall gist of what we have done in a particular day, and this is an amazing feature. The sleep tracker is very accurate and works so seamlessly. There is also a lot of other features that we cannot cover in this video because it's very exhaustive. But as you can see, air pressure, altitude are some other things that you can monitor with your watch. The watch is very robust and has sustained a couple of falls. As you can see, there are little scratches here and there in the watch. And adding on a silicone rubber case to it gives a little bit of scratch proofing, and it looks amazing. As you can see, the build quality is really high and works amazing and looks equally good. And for the price it comes in, it's truly a magic. The charge is another awesome thing. It lasts for almost 8 to 12 days with exhaustive usage, and in standby I have no idea because yeah, I'm using it constantly, so it's a good thing. Giving you an overview of how the application looks, the interface is really seamless, and the 194 data that they claim to show is so well organized that you don't even realize that there's so much of data, and yet the possibility to see anything over it is awesome. As you can see, there are a lot of different aspects of analytics inside it, and you can figure out whatever you want to from the kind of data they are giving, which is amazing. And for anyone who wants to have an exhaustive monitoring over their fitness lifestyle, then probably this is the watch you should definitely consider. Overall, I would give Honor Watch a 5 out of 5 for the price, look, robustness, functionality, and the battery. It's an amazing pick to go for.